Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 144. Dear Sir, I thank you for your circumstantial account of the centenary celebrations in your town, the reporting and sending of which show much consideration on your part. Whenever I can help you in similar circumstances, I shall be only too pleased to do so. It is remarkable that such an insignificant matter as the one you mention should give offense in newspaper circles. One would have thought that it is very insignificance would have been sufficient to ensure its acceptance. Certainly, it is difficult to understand how anything of the kind could be described as unprincipled and unmannerly. It is a misfortune that such a quibble should be raised, and I hope that everything will be done to save any inconvenience to those interested in the press. Nevertheless, I do not think the cause is irremovable, but rather altogether removable, and I shall be thankful whatever is done to bring the parties together again. Yours truly. Full stop.